Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul for Tuesday morning, which I may add on to. But anyway, so I ended up picking up these journal bands by Mink by Heidi Swap for $1.99. So you got 4 colors there. I found another one of the XO ones, XO Literates, and this is XO Love. So in a happy XO anniversary, you forever, a love of my life. Excuse me, Hugs and Kisses, and again, beautiful font, nice for this time of the year. And this one, seen this one before, but I just got it. You're beautiful. See the good in all things. Smile, cute, fun, and nope. And where is the other one under there? Oh, 2 fingers, please. You know where I'm from, well, never mind. I was going to say something about that sign. But anyway, they pick up this sticker set, which I thought was nice and colorful. Stay wild, adventurous dream, imagination. It's got some baby stuff, brave little one. I love you more than the stars. Every storm has its rainbows. Baby, traveler, brave. So nice. Never lose your sense of wonder. So this is Little Voyager, $1.99. This is, I picked this up for my cousin. She's already been in it. I showed you the one that I had, which was, wait a minute. Oops. I have this one, and this is the other one I could have borrowed to show it. And this, she's not a crafter, so. A lot of times she'll buy something, I end up getting it later, but anyway, this is what she got. She's making something for her granddaughter. And then this die set, which is both of these amazing paper grace. This is from the Graceful Borders collection, and this, these 3 different separate ones. They the sizes are, they range from 0.25 on the skinny, of course, and the other ones are 0.25 and 1.4, but they go as big as a 6.85. So these you can layer them different ways to make designs in your paper, 1 or 2 or 3 all together, and you can just cut them into your paper, make different things because they're freestanding. So in that type of a die. Chantilly paper lace, it's 3 of them here. This is called Lily Pearl Flat Fold Flower Border, and the number for this is S4819. I'm sorry, the number for this one is S4706 in case you want to Google it. This one is 3 pieces with different sizes, but I couldn't find a tutorial on it when I was looking in the store, but I picked it up just in case because it's only one. But I know these were folding dies. So these range, they're all up to 6.3 inches long and from 0.9 to that 6.75. But you can fold them and make them into dimensional flowers, or you can use them as border strips or whatever. I'll probably use it into a flower, but I wanted to see how they looked. I think I've seen them, I can't remember, but anyway. Oh, here it is right there. The flower, I can't even see, look, not even paying attention, but those flowers are also, whereas that's also the strip laid out flat, and then those two are made into the flowers based on the fold. You see right here on the die, you see those angles? So it creases it to make it into a triangle, well, like a circle, excuse me, to make it into those flowers. And then it would have that little petal like that. And then I picked this up. It was, I had saw this earlier, and I paid this Buckton attention, and I went back. It was the only one that was still sitting. That was because it was under the bottom shelf, and I picked it up. Let's see if I'm gonna keep it because I really didn't even read the ingredients, but the store was closed, and I said, let me grab it and go. And then it was $24.99, but this is 18-piece set. It's a bundle. You get the tool roll, the USB rotary, the tool kit, the USB mini glue gun kit, the USB heat tool kit, and USB power bank and cable. So that's what you get right here. It's nice storage for it, but I still need to look at it because I have a glue gun. I mean, they say each one is sold, like this felt roll is sold for $15. The rotary kit is sold for $25. The heat tool is sold for $25. The mini glue is $25. and then the power bank is $30. Okay, well, I wouldn't have paid $30 for a glue gun, but it does have some different heads, but I still would pay $30 for a glue gun. Heat tool, I've seen that for 10, TM. I have a fuser, so I need to look at it really to see if it's cost effective for me to keep it. So I may be taking this back, but I just grabbed it while I was running out the store because TM, if I came back the next day after work, it would have been gone. So I just picked it up, but I'm gonna look at the cost points and to see if it's even worth me keeping it. So I may not, but I did want to bring it to you, show it to you. So now the glue gun, I got to watch videos on each one of them, is fine detail hot gluing, and of course the wood burner. See, I don't have a wood burner, so mine does do the fused plastic, but it doesn't do wood burning. And then it does plastic fusing too, which is what I knew it could do that. But standard hot glue, and then paper distressing and sanding. So I'll look at it in more detail and watch a couple of videos and see whether or not it's worth me keeping it, because that may just be going back. But anyway, but it is a pretty cool set, and the power charger will be great to have for crops if I was going to do any one of these, which I'm going to one at the end of this week. Yay, see my girls. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.